All right, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. We're putting this beast, well actually it's not a beast, it's easy, into Vertex form. Except I'm not explaining it, you are. So tell me what I'm going to do, or tell me what you did. All it is basically completing the square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the other thing, wait, what's the other concept? No fun, get back to 1, because having 3x squareds, that makes it silly, right?
Yeah.
So making it into a square, just having one of those makes it easy. Having this shape makes it no fun. So what we do, get back to 1. So anyway, go ahead, explain.
Alright, so the first step is you need to bring the constant to the other side. So
okay, you're gonna get rid of the constant. Alright, you're gonna do it that way.
Equal to 3 times the quantity of x squared plus 3x.
I like it a lot.
And that's still the exact same thing.
Yep.
And then after that,
because they all have to be equal. That's another concept, right? These all have to be equal, right?
And then you have to see what completes the square. You have to use your intuition a little bit.
Alright, wait. What do I do first?
Y minus 6 equals 3 times the quantity of x squared plus 3x. I did 2 in 1 step.
Oh, you skipped a step is what you did, right?
Yeah.
So you did this, and then this.
Yeah.
Oh wait, 3, that's supposed to still be
X squared.
X squared. Yeah.
Okay.
And
then other bracket.
And then the other bracket, and then you completed the square.
Yeah, and then I completed the square. So when you complete the square, it's obvious. You have to take half of it and then square it.
Right.
So 1.5 squared is 2.25, so you're going to call it 2.25.
See, no cognitive load because you already know how to square numbers that end in 5, right? Like I said, so I keep you from falling into the pit because you have no cognitive, right? So that's going to be 2.25. Well, I can't just add 2.25 over here, right?
No.
And in fact,
what you have to do is take it out of the bracket. So you have to do 3 times 2.5. Bring that over to the other side. So now it becomes y minus 6 plus 3 times 2.25 is equal to 3 times, and then you can square.
Okay. Slow down. I got just let my hand catch up with your speaking. Right?
Yeah.
Now, can you just look at that and see that 3 times that is going to be 6.75 and only have 6?
Yeah.
So all of this is superfluous when you get right down to it, but okay. I like it so that you keep track of what's going on. But then this is just the same thing as 3 times x plus 1.5 squared, right?
Yeah, so now we've completed the square, but now we have to figure out how much you have to take away. So then y minus 6 plus 6.75, so y plus 0.75 equals 3 times x plus 1.5.
Right, so this is going to be y...
So in the end, you just come down to, you just take away 0.75 from the other end.
Because when I do this math right here, this is going to wind up being y point plus 75, right?
Yeah, equals all that.
Equals all this, right?
And then you just have to use simple algebra.
And then simple algebra, that's 0, 0, buddy.
Yeah, that's simple algebra theory.
There you go. I like it. Done.
And then that is...
So then there's my vertex form, right? And there it is. My A, my H, and my K. And H and K gives me the vertex, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh wait, did I not get everything in frame?
Yeah.
I think you did a fine job, and it turns out our hour is up. So there it is, though, right? Bam. Complete the square. Make sure they're same. And like I said, over here, if I look at this and I complete the square, I can already see I'm just over by, I'm 6.75, so I just take away the 7.5 without having to do all this fun stuff over here. The idea is to keep it easier and easier and just make it simple. And then pretty soon we could do any of these. And didn't you wind up doing one by accident where this was negative?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so just consider that extra practice. All right.
And then I just do the same thing but minus the 1.5 and then plus 0.75.
All right. And this is my 11-year-old student in Chicago.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more.